County 911 response. What's your emergency?
Yeah, this is Bill Weber. I'm located at 2330 North Walnut Drive, and I think someone's stealing my tractor.
What's the location and description of the tractor?
It's a John Deere. Someone just took it out of my shed on County Road 8, and they're heading east.
Got it. We'll send some officers to check it out.
Great, thank you. Hello?
Mr. Weber, this is Douglas County Sheriff's Office. We found your tractor and we have the suspects in custody. How'd you know they were trying to steal your tractor?
My tractor called me.
JDLink lets you set a geofence around your equipment and calls you when the machine leaves that area. Whether it's an operator who's lost or something worse. It's available on new 2011 8R tractors as well as other platforms. Your tractor is calling only from John Deere.